am Rochelle. I'm the founder of Ruvolution, and I started my entrepreneurial journey at the age of 23. So, Ruvolution is a digital media company, and we provide you with PR services. If you're a content creator and you're looking for a space where you can be recognized by other people like you, and especially by brands that are looking for deals with content creators, you come to us. So that is the main service that we provide. We first showcase you and promote you on our channels, and secondly, the paid one is where we take you to our partner firms, to our partner startups who are also looking for content creators for themselves. So this is a great way of monetizing your talents and actually going out there with what you believe in, chasing your passion. And if creating videos, creating posts with what you do is something that you like, then Ruvolution is a place for you. We have also hosted a couple of events, and events is something that keeps happening. So it includes open mic, then talk shows, and various other speaking renditions that we have worked on. And of course, in the next year, you are going to see a lot of events and contests coming up where you can truly communicate and network with other people just like you, and also get promoted. There are actually quite a few challenges I faced at the beginning of our company. First would be, of course, I had a lot of doubts. I had doubts on whether I would be able to lead and grow and build and maintain a good or manage a good company. And of course, this was always a dream, so I was really nervous about it. And I realized that I would be stepping into that zone where I have to lead, and I would be gathering experience firsthand at a higher management level. So that was something that was very sudden for me. The more I showed my vision about Ruvolution, which was my passion project, I realized that there were so many people out there who believed in it. So then it started, and of course, getting the traction and making people aware of what Ruvolution really is was a task in the beginning. But just like the motto of our company, which is "You are your own revolution," I felt like, and I still do feel like, this has been my own personal revolution. I think one of my biggest achievements till now is the way Ruvolution has gained traction. So as a founder and also as a chief executive officer to my startup, I definitely feel like I have achieved a lot, because we have reached out to people from different fields and they have been featured on our channels. And not just that, but they're also our long-time partners. I have also been featured by Winswell as one of the top female entrepreneurs or upcoming entrepreneurs of 2021 in one of the articles, which was a big thing for me. And I am looking forward for so much more. I've come on podcasts, I've come on videos where I was given the fortune of talking about my dreams, my goals, my passions. I've won quite a few solo singing medals and even little awards. So that is something that I keep very dear to my heart. It's actually in my grandparents' house right now, so we've displayed it there and everything. An advice that I would like to give to everybody out there is that, first of all, always believe in yourself. You are your own revolution. That is also the motto of Ruvolution, but I definitely mean it. And especially if you are planning to start your own business, then this is your sign. Please start off now and trust that you'll be able to achieve what you believe in. All you have to do is go out there and ask for help, because this is the biggest thing that I have learned myself, that once you ask for help, it will always be given to you. And of course, if you really chase after something, the universe conspires for you to achieve it. So believe in that and be proactive. That's my advice to you.